How you going, guys? Ben from Flow Brackets. You're probably watching this video because you have a Prestige 4-character framed plate and you're trying to attach it to your vehicle, but you can't. Let's get into it. Now, this Prestige frame does come with its own backing plate, but as you can see, it's actually quite limited and it probably won't fit any of the OEM holes of the cars that you're trying to attach it to. All you'll need to do is back this off and the backing plate does come out. Now, this is the problem. This is a 4-hole Mercedes pattern, and this is the backing plate that comes with your bracket. And you can see that it just falls short and it doesn't go to any of the OEM holes. And in this case, if you didn't want to get an adapter for it, you're forced to drill holes into your car, which is not ideal. And the same applies for the Audi as well. It just doesn't reach the 2 holes. And this is a metal tailgate, so you don't want to be drilling into this. This is where our bracket comes into play. This will bolt to the OEM holes, then your backing plate will go on top, and then you can clip your number plate on. So this bracket, we've made it to fit Audi, Mercedes, BMW, Porsche, and then I'll show you how to get this done. Next step will be to clip on your number plate to your original backing plate. It goes like that. Just tighten the grub screws and you're done. There you go, guys. Prestige plates mounted onto a Mercedes without drilling extra holes. Now let's do the same for the Audi. And that's how you use our Prestige bracket for a 4-character Prestige frame plate in a standard format. It does fit the Audi, it does fit the Mercedes, it fits BMW, Porsche, and a lot of Japanese makers as well.